Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tool Shop, and today I'm going to be working on the grinder again a little bit. As you can see here, I've taken off the motor, I've taken out the platen arm, and that's because I wanted to work on this bottom tube here to get the tooling arm made up. And I have the main tooling arm like all ready to weld up, so let's weld this up and start doing the rest. Of the tooling arm is welded up, and while that's cooling down, I also have the 1-inch round bar that I need to face, center drill, and then drill and thread in a hole. So let's start doing that. Have the pin drilled, machined, and everything like that to length and with the holes in them. So now I have bolted on the two 45-degree plates, and now I'm just going to go ahead, tack weld up 4 corners, and then I will come back in and find the center to set that in place, and then weld that to the beam, and then come back in with the all thread, and you'll see in a minute. Alright, so one thing I should have looked at and checked before I started welding all this together is that even though I got these laser cut, I'm not sure whether the program or what was up, but these do not fit 3/8 through. So I'm going to pull the air compressor over. I have the die grinder with a carbide burr set up that I can put the end of it into and try and open it up a bit. So let's get to that. After enough time between files, the carbide die grinder, and a Dremel over at the workbench, I got these ground out to 3/8, and I now have the 3/8 all thread in place and ready to tack on, and then I need to make sure that it pivots nicely, and then I'll go ahead and just do a nice big weld onto it. So let's get her done. Drum roll, please. And revealing in 3, 2, 1. How's that looking for a beast of a grinder? Work rest is now put on and squared to the platen. Now, one thing I need to fix tomorrow, I need to cut off the initial tube that this is attached to. I need to cut that off and re-weld that because It's out 1/8 of an inch between here to here. I messed up on that part, but it's an easy fix for me. But aside from that, like, the grinder is now, aside from painted, for just having this as a single speed grinder right now, this looks beautiful. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hitting that red button down below with the bell notification. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment what you thought down below. Anyways, that concludes today, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.